Question number 38. Waging or attempting to wage war or abetting waging of war against the government of India is punishable under dash of the IPC. Option A, Section 121, now Section 147 of BNS. Option B, Section 132, now Section 160 of BNS. Option C, Section 122, now Section 149 of BNS. Option D, Section 124, now Section 151 of BNS. And the correct answer for this question is option number A, that is Section 121, now Section 147 of BNS. Question number 39. Punishment for writing under the IPC is option A for 2 years only, option B for 3 years only, option C for 2 years or fine or both, option D for 3 years or fine or both. And the correct answer for this question is option number C, that is for 2 years or fine or both. Question number 40. A, being legally bound to produce a document before a district court intentionally omits to produce the same. A has committed the offence under dash of the IPC. Option A, Section 177, now Section 212 of BNS. Option B, Section 173, now Section 207 of BNS. Option C, Section 174, now Section 208 of BNS. Option D, Section 175, now Section 210 of BNS. And the correct answer for this question is option number D, that is Section 175, now Section 210 of BNS. Question number 41. Threatening or inducing any person to give false evidence is punishable under dash of the IPC. Option A, Section 191, now Section 227 of BNS. Option B, Section 192, now Section 228 of BNS. Option C, Section 195A, now Section 232 of BNS. Option D, Section 195, now Section 231 of BNS. And the correct answer for this question is option number C, that is Section 195A of IPC. Question number 42. A sees B drowning but does not save him. B is drowned. A has committed option A, the offence of abetting of suicide. Option B, the offence of murder. Option C, no offence. Option D, the offence of culpable homicide not amounting to murder. And the correct answer is option C, means A has done no offence. Thank you.